Okay, slow quickie maybe. Master lock by Hinz, just to show it's open. I don't have keys for it. It's it locked. And if you can see the pins. Weird one, it actually picks better if you put the pick in reverse. And we'll have a wee bash. And we can get it in. There we go. Might just see the pins moving, I don't know if you can. Vaguely in this, but I'll hit a shut up and see if I can get them to. That's it. Tension, there we go. Fairly quick, easy. Hope you can see it. I'll angle it again. There's it turning. You just see the pins, and up the top you'll see the T slot there. Should see the release of the shackle if I turn it, and Bob's your auntie. Just open. And then you should see the pins dropping back, if I can get it at the right angle. Springs at the top, if I can get my finger to point with that. Springs up this end, move it out the road, move it back, and you should see them dropping back in. Bingo, and there goes the tension wrench. Done. DBC Locksmiths Forum. Good fun, great mates. Cheers.